3 plus 7 times 2 minus 5. 3 plus 7 will give us 10. Then 10 times 2 minus 5. 10 times 2 will give us 20. Then we have 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us have the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our multiplication because it comes first before addition and subtraction. In our multiplication, we have 7 times 2. 7 times 2 will give us 14. Then we have 3 plus 14 minus 5. We are going to work with our addition first because addition and subtraction have equal priorities. So we are going to work from our left to our right. 3 plus 14 will give us 17. Then we have 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is equals to 12. 12 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.